Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hidayatullah from Farooq Degree College. Yesterday we have discussed poem and figure of speech in that poem, personification. The remaining two, simile and metaphor, we will discuss today. These figure of speech these are figures of comparison. These figures of speech are used to make a comparison. They compare things, but still there is a difference. The difference between the two is that simile use the word like or as to compare things. This means that there is indirect comparison in a simile with the introduction of as or like. Whereas in case of metaphor, they state or they compare things directly without introducing the words like or as. This example simile is, life is like a box of chocolates. Now in this example, life is indirectly compared with a box of chocolate, so this is simile. In the second example, my life is an open book. Life is compared with a book. They are compared directly without introducing the word like or as. So this is a metaphor. When we compare things without introducing word like or as, we use a metaphor. Whereas when we introduce the word like or as, we are using simile. The basic difference, we will talk about the basic difference between the two. The basic difference in the two is that this one is an indirect comparison, this one is a direct comparison. One thing. We have a simple comparison as well. For this figure of speech, when we compare two things, the difference between the two things must be different. If the things are the same, for example, my horse is as fast as yours, there is no simile or metaphor because the two compared things are the same. When the difference between A and B arise, we are using either simile. If there are words are like or as, it is simile, and when there are no word like as or like, we have a metaphor. But the difference in nature is a must for simile, metaphor and simple comparison. Thank you. We will discuss in next chapter a prose work.